This makes me really angry because right now, as you already saw, Bitcoin went to 66,000 and more than that, and we basically dipped to 65,000 right now. And what makes me angry is the fact that people are selling their altcoins. Everything is dumping like 10%, 20%, even if Bitcoin just went from 53,000 last month to 65,000 right now. And everyone basically is bullish. All the founders, all the VCs, all the influencers are bullish on crypto because we know that the Q4 is the best month, the best quarter for the crypto and the Bitcoin overall. October is called October for that reason, because we are usually going only up. And we have achieved the 4-year cycle, and we are ready to go in the full-blown crypto bull run. The 2025 bull run is here, and that's why I'm angry, because people are still selling their crypto. They are day trading, they are trying to scalp like 0.5%, 1% on their crypto gains, which doesn't make sense to me, because I know that all of these traders are losing right now. So now I will explain you multiple reasons why you should be bullish and not day trading or trying to get 1%, 10% gains and just hold, like buy, hold and wait. First of all, look at this. The weather is basically shit. The summer is over. We basically entered the fall, which means that people are done taking vacations. People are back to work, to school. People are back to sitting at their computers, surfing internet, checking Bitcoin and crypto prices. No one was doing that in the summer. That's why the prices were going down. That's the first bullish sign. The second bullish sign is that China will be cutting rates by 50 basis points, similar to USA. But the bullish fact is that they will be giving basically stimulus checks. Like in the COVID, they did that as well as USA did. They gave the stimmies, money for the poor people. So they are basically boosting the economy. But most likely everyone will be investing in crypto. That's what I think, because Chinese are quite smart. They are investors. They are investing in Africa and all that stuff, because that's why I think they are quite smart people. Number 3, USA Federal Reserve cut their rates as well, which is bullish. People will be incentivized to take out loans. Number 4, global liquidity is starting to go up, and we will see the biggest jump in 2025. That's why I'm telling you 2025 is the crypto bull run euphoria, similar to 2021, because as you can see, in 2021 we got the global liquidity going straight up as well. That's just simple statistics and simple history. Bullish aspect number 5 is that FTX, basically that crashed this exchange, they will be paying back the creditors around $16 billion, I think from November to December. Again, these 16 billion will most likely go into crypto, because all these people are crypto people, and they will not be just holding the USDT, because they will be paid out in USDT, which is great, because there will be zero selling pressure in Bitcoin and in crypto, and most likely all that USDT, $16 billion will go into Bitcoin. In the crypto, maybe even at least 50%, but that's $8 billion. That's insane. Bullish fact number 6, we have both president candidates, Kamala and Trump, bullish on crypto. Trump is more bullish than Kamala, but Kamala already talked about being leader in blockchain technologies, something like that. So I don't think USA will try to lose that advantage point right now, because USA is still the strongest military and strongest country, in my opinion. That's why I think they will take full advantage of crypto and being the leading country in this space. Bullish fact number 7 is that as Federal Reserve is cutting rates, the USA will print more money, and which means that you will lose the value of dollar because they are inflating the dollar, they are printing more, which means that the value is going down, and we are losing the purchasing power of dollar, which means that smart people, investors, VCs, people like Elon Musk, they'll be buying things like Bitcoin. Some people will be buying like gold, silver, something that is really strong store of value. And countries like China and Russia are already buying gold for the last few years since the corona hit. And yeah, I would say this is the bullish fact number 8, that many people are really scared of what's happening in the Middle East, just like they were scared when we hit the COVID pandemic, which basically stopped the whole economy in the whole Western world, basically in the whole world. Everything stopped for a moment. But what happened? We had the biggest crypto bull run in the history in 2021. That's after the COVID hit, and now people are scared because we have some Middle East wars, Ukraine, Russia, and I want to tell you, this will not matter because people are more likely to buy some Bitcoin if there is something similar to war or pandemic, because they think that a dollar can crash. That's why they are investing in gold, in silver, in Bitcoin and in crypto. So the bullish fact number 8 is that gold price is at its all-time high around $2,600, which is insane. Stock market is at its all-time high. There is no reason why Bitcoin and crypto should not be at its all-time high. That's why, again, I don't understand these people that are still scalping their 1%, 5% in crypto, because they themselves agree that we are approaching the biggest crypto bull run of the history, which is 2025, late 2024. Bullish factor number 10, and the last one, is that huge investment firms are investing in new crypto projects. Even PayPal is fundraising, Coinbase is fundraising, A16Z. And if you want to start trading, I have some bonuses. If you sign up with my referral link, you will get some trading bonus if you sign with my links that are in the description below. And I have many exchanges on the list. You can use my referral code on KuCoin, on Bybit, on MEXC, and many more. And you will get big bonuses for buying, selling, and trading your crypto. And by trading, I mean that you are buying and holding for at least 2 to 3 months, because Bitcoin will most likely be going up for the next 3 months from October to January, like it's doing in history. Like you can see in 2020, it started to go up in late October, mid-October, and it went up until January, which is really crazy. And I think it will basically go about 100,000, maybe 120,000. Then it will dump from January to late January, and after that it will like keep going much higher for at least February, March, April, and May, and then that's the time when you can sell. And yeah, if I have to recommend you to buy something, and this is not a financial advice, I would recommend you to watch some gaming launch pads, which is bigger than gaming tokens. I mean, launch pads are projects that are launching games and giving you access to invest early and cheaper. The second thing is AI, of course. The third thing is RWAs, NFTs, ordinals. Ordinals will be big because Bitcoin will be, everyone will be talking about Bitcoin on the news first. After that, they will be mentioning the altcoins. That's why ordinals will pump like crazy. That's why my advice is stay tuned, don't fade the crypto. And if you enjoyed this video, press the like, press the thumbs up, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.